internet friends, I have an update for you on how 18 in 2018 is going, and I don't think you're really going to even recognize my products right now. So without further ado, let's just get into it. I will admit, I gave up on the lip shades. I couldn't do it anymore. I was kind of excited about the ideas of being like, oh, here's how you can dupe XO Beauty lip shades with an XO Beauty collaboration palette. But those lip shades were just awful. Like, there was no lasting power, they smudged everywhere. I have nothing good to say about them. So I officially gave up on them and they are gone. Peace out, lip shades. They will never come back. I will never buy those again. Moving on from that though, onto a more positive note, what would you call it? I depanned the rest of it. So everything I'm now using for a project pan is in this little thing right here, and my XO Beauty shades I have left are these ones right here. So we've definitely made a lot of progress in every single one of them, which is super exciting. I'm thinking Buttercup is going to be gone hopefully by the next update. I was going so good on it and I thought it was going to be gone by this update, and then it just seems to have stalled right here. So I'm assuming it was so thin in the middle and it was so thick everywhere else that I used up everything that I could in that middle shade, and now it's about making that nice dip on the rest of it. So I think that's why I stalled on it. This one here got dung. I put my fingernail into it by accident, but kind of took that to my advantage. So every time I used it exactly in that spot. So we've officially hit pan on it. Pan is actually growing on it, so we're starting to make some good progress with it too. This one down here we're definitely making good progress on. I actually didn't think I was gonna be able to do it just because, I don't know, I want brighter, happier looks right now, not more kind of like deep, grungier, smoky look. So I didn't think I was going to be able to make a lot of progress on it, but I did, so I'm happy with that. Avocado down here, we finally did it. Finally did it. Yeah, favorite shade in here, and I couldn't figure out why for the longest time I was not able to hit pan, but we finally did it. And then Silhouette down here, this one was a little bit of a victim as I was pulling it out. It did kind of get smucked up a little bit and we lost a bit of it, but kind of like the shade up here, I think this is Toasted. We use that little nicking to our advantage. So been using this as eyeliner, that's why you can kind of see they look more like lines. So yeah, a lot of that one is gone, half because of me and half because I suck at taking things out of their packaging. But that is my update on 18 in 2018. We only got 5 left to go. And lesson learned, I will never buy lip palettes again, and I will never pan lip palettes again, but those kind of go hand in hand. So I've learnt my lesson, or at least I think I've learnt my lesson. Thanks for checking in with me, guys, and until the next time, see you later.